Today, my reflection on the history of the Mass comes from one of the fathers of the Church who lived during the 3rd century. He was Bishop Cyprian of Carthage, and Carthage is in North Africa. So what we see here is someone who represents the tradition from the Western Church which became the Roman Church. So in this selection, Cyprian is warning those to whom he's writing that they should be celebrating the Eucharist properly. It seems as though some were not using wine in their celebration of the Eucharist, but water only. And so in this little selection, Cyprian reminds them that it's important to use wine. Why? Because that's what Jesus used in the Last Supper. And so this is what Cyprian has to say. Know then that I have been admonished that in offering the cup, the tradition of the Lord must be observed, and that nothing must be done by us but what the Lord first did on our behalf, as that the cup which is offered in remembrance of him should be offered mingled with wine. For when Christ says, I am the true vine, the blood of Christ is assuredly not water, but wine. Neither can his blood, by which we are redeemed and quickened, appear to be in the cup, when in the cup there is no wine, whereby the blood of Christ is shown forth, which is declared by the sacrament and testimony of all the Scriptures. Thank you so much for watching today.